It's a great time. So let's take a look at what's happening today. We've got that cold front, as you've mentioned, just towards the west of the country earlier today, but that has now moved over parts of the Western and Northern Cape already. So we are expecting a cloudy, cold and wet day in parts of the Northern Cape and Western Cape, but across the rest of the country it's going to be a clear afternoon and in fact quite pleasant, with afternoon temperatures in the mid-20s and even lower 30s in some parts. But we'll take a look at the temperatures in just a moment. Behind this cold front, we're also expecting some cold air cumulus clouds, and that can bring a few more showers to parts of Cape Town as well as the surrounding areas. Let's take a look at our rainfall map for the rest of today. It shows an 80% chance of rain on the mountainous areas of the Western Cape, as well as a 40% chance of rain all along the west coast, and also a possibility of rain around Sutherland for later today. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a few weather alerts for today. The first one is a warning for gale force winds, and that is along the southwest coast between Table Bay and Plettenberg Bay, where the average wind speed can be as much as 65 kilometers per hour. We also have a warning for heavy rain, and that is around Cape Town as well as over the Cape Winelands and also parts of the Overberg, where more than 50 millimeters of rain can occur within the next 24 hours, and that can lead to localized flooding. We also have a warning for a high fire danger, and that is in the eastern part of the Western Cape for the afternoon, where runaway fires are possible, and that's due to the strong winds that we expect in that area. And lastly, we'll take a look at the warning for high seas today. That's between Cape Columbine and Cape Agulhas, where the total sea can be between 6 and 7 meters. Now let's take a look at our afternoon temperatures for today, starting off first with the morning temperatures quickly. 7 degrees Celsius this morning in Johannesburg and Pretoria, 9 in Bombela, but a lovely 18 along the east coast of the country around East London. And then this afternoon it's going to be hot in KwaZulu-Natal as well as parts of the east coast, and also a pleasant afternoon in Johannesburg with 24, but much colder conditions in the western half of the country, and that's as a result of the cold front that's moving past. That's where I leave your weather forecast for now, but I will be back at the end of the hour with a more detailed update.